So, my favorite food spot on campus is.
So, if I had to title my MBA life at IBS Hyderabad, it would have been.
Hi, my name is Palash Kaushik. I was born and brought up in Jaipur, Rajasthan.
Hi, myself Shrishti Shanu. I was born and brought up in Jamshedpur.
I have completed my graduation in BBA specializing in marketing. Post that, I worked in Accenture for a year as an infra service managed associate.
I completed my graduation in management studies and
Right now, I'm pursuing my MBA
from IBS Hyderabad.
in IBS Hyderabad. So, while looking for different MBA colleges, I came across IBS Hyderabad and I was highly impressed by its comprehensive curriculum and the Case Research Center, which is the second largest in the world. Moreover, its emphasis on the student development through clubs and committees, which helps in the overall development of the student and overall development of the personality, which is very needed in the MBA curriculum and the post MBA corporate life. So yeah, that's what motivated me to join IBS Hyderabad. So my transition so far from my undergraduate studies to an MBA is incredibly enriching so far, because in my undergrad studies we used to follow a rigorous timetable and a fixed timetable and a fixed routine. But in MBA we manage multiple tasks simultaneously, and it has helped me so far to become adaptable and quick decision maker, which is very much required in an MBA life. So my favorite food spot on campus is definitely the Brew Cafe, which is nearest to the academics block, and I will have their veg cheese sandwich almost every week, and I believe truly everyone should give it a try.
So, the case based learning at IBS Hyderabad is indeed a non conventional pedagogy of learning that helps us connect the classroom concepts with the real life problems. And that indeed has been an eye opener for us to think beyond the box critically. I aspire to be a financial consultant, and I'm looking forward to connect with the alumni as I'm part of the alumni relations cell, and the alumni of IBS Hyderabad has a strength of more than 50,000 people. So I'm looking forward to connect with them, take their guidance and succeed. So at IBS Hyderabad, we have multiple sessions to enhance our CV and build our portfolio, as well as build our LinkedIn profile. And our seniors are very helpful to help us, guide us with their experience, and looking forward to get opportunities as IBS caters to all of that.
If my MBA life were to put a movie title, it would be definitely something like Dekho Hota Hai Kya. Because life is full of uncertainties, and during an MBA, we work towards achieving our dreams and hoping for the best. So I believe Dekho Hota Hai Kya would definitely be an amazing title.
So if I had to title my MBA life at IBS Hyderabad, it would have been Zid Kamyabi Ki. And why I say that? It is because the urge or the pursuit to excel and to stand out and be in the top 1%.